Super long weekend this week. Today's something. It's Monday. Yeah. It's actually a Memorial Day today. Oh, we got a bunch of side-by-side stuff the last 2 days. I got to change a tire on this dump truck today. Happy Memorial Day to all of our fallen heroes. But I developed a really bad shake in this truck. And I think there's several things, but this tire is wore high here and really low in here. That tire is pretty well shot. Last week I blew tire on the other side. So now I got some mismatch going over there. But I'm thinking I run into some trouble with these carcasses because these tires are all, you know, so there's 8 tires on the back of these trucks. 2, 4, on the other side 6, 8. I bought 10 tires to put on the back of that truck last year. 2 of them basically melted off, so I bought 2 new ones at the end of the season. Put those on. Now I only work 6 months out of the year. I don't put maybe 20,000 miles on the year, 25, 30. So I burned off 2. 1 popped. And that other one is wore to the point where I'll probably get a spanking from DOT. So I'm gonna change that today. Yeah, so we're gonna change that tire. I got this tag axle is a steerable or a trackable. It follows the truck when it's down, it turns, you know. So these stabilizer shocks are blown out. They center the axle, you know, when it comes up, they center it. Also, when you're going down the road straight, it keeps the thing from going like this. Well, they're not doing their job right now. So you hit some bumps and that thing it's like a death wobble. It just goes 1 stop back, 1 stop to the other stop. That's really bad. New York actually mandated trucks to have these axles on them, which is this, among all the stupid things that New York State does, this is one of the worst as far as regulating these trucks, because it's the biggest, most dangerous thing you could have on a truck. Normally those axles, you know, those tires don't need to turn. They'll drive you into the fucking ditch. But I gotta change those shocks anyways. I think we talked about new tires in a previous video. Had it aligned. We got these tires because this corner was wearing off. Steering stabilizers, change that other tire. I got new brake drums coming middle of this week. The brake drum will make a tire hop if it's out around, I guess. Gotta get rid of this goddamn shake in this truck. It's the front, it's the back. Let me start this truck up. Get her over to the garage, rip these tires off, because I don't have the brake drums. I don't have them steering stabilizers yet. It'll probably be end of the week before I get all that jazz, but I'm gonna run you through this tire swap real quick. But today's really nice. I'm going for a motorcycle ride after I change this tire. So, get that over with. It's been sitting for 3 days. There's no air in it. Okay, got the truck over here. Got the jack over under the truck. By the tire I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna get my creeper. This is a cover for some of the tin I bought to do the ceiling in that barn. So that goes in there, see? Here, watch. Watch like that. Well, you just... that ain't gonna fit. Fancy air power. What do I got here? This is all Harbor Freight stuff. This tire's fine for now. This is the problem, child. Maybe we can see the tread better. Low, high, low, high, low, high. Plus, look at all the tread that's here. It's high and it wears down to there. That's real Crisco, friends. Best stuff. Cheetah. Anybody let me know, think it's gonna go on? I already know the answer.
Memorial Day weekend on 99.9 Classy 100.
The answer is no. More Harbor Freight. That worked. I hit the damn blow-off valve with my wrist when I was trying to set that up. I'll be honest with you, I'm getting better at changing tires. That normally would have took me an hour. It's only been about 5 minutes. So. Okay, you guys already know this, but make sure your valve stems are opposite each other. Well, that's all done. I got the tire changed, got my brakes all adjusted, checked the oil. I'm ready to go for the coming week here. I think I'm going to give you this video today. It's going to be a short one. I can get through it real quick. Don't forget it's Memorial Day. So if you see your servicemen and women, let them know you care. They're still suffering and sacrificing for us. So if you're an American and you don't care, kiss my ass. Enjoy your freedom. We'll see.